I bet you didn't know that lightning can strike the same place twice. Surprised? Let me blow your mind. Despite what you might have heard, lightning can and does strike the same place more than once. In fact, tall objects like skyscrapers and trees are often hit multiple times. The Empire State Building in New York? It gets hit by lightning about 20 times every year. That's because lightning is just following the path of least resistance. So why do people think it only hits once? It's a myth. Maybe it's because of the dramatic effect in movies or old wives' tales. But in reality, when lightning finds a good conductor, it's like a moth to a flame. It'll keep coming back. So next time someone tells you lightning doesn't strike the same place twice, you can set them straight. Because that's a thunderous myth busted.